This demo shows an example based on a purchase process. Where we have to inform about the price and insert a brief description. We click on the Submit button. In the Workflow tab, we can see all the information related to the workflow, and even see its current status. When entering a high figure above 500, we need the approval of the manager. The manager in their session sees the assigned workflow notice, in which they have to approve or deny the purchase. The manager can see the properties panel to get more information with which to make a decision. In this simple example, the manager has two options. Once the manager makes a decision, the pending task disappears. The administrator can check the progress of the workflow. In this example, the workflow has come to end. Workflows are created from the development environment, and the administrator can manage all the workflows from the Workflow console. Here we see all the workflows defined in the demo, and how we can analyze each flow in detail, even influence the development of any workflow. Because as an administrator, we don't need to be involved in the process. If necessary, we can examine its status, delete it, stop it, or put it on hold. For a user to be able to work with a workflow, the administrator must enable the corresponding workflow in the user's profile. If you want to know more about the creation of workflows, at OpenKM Academy we offer an online course on the development of flows with the workflow engine included in OpenKM.